So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to click on accessibility. Now we're going to scroll down until we find keyboard. Click on keyboard. Make sure that you have sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys all turned off. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space/id space keyboard diagnostic. Click on enter. Now you want to run this. Click on next. It's now going to look for issues. Now once it's been completed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.